Hey, everyone, imagine a world where humans never took the gallop. No skyscrapers. No roads, just rolling savannahs ruled by zebras. That's right, those striped savannah sprinters with their black and white flair and powerful legs. Thundering across Africa. Sounds like a wild sci-fi stampede, right? Well, grab your hose. Because we're charging into a what-if adventure. What if zebras evolved to become the planet's top bosses? Zebras are already the champs of the grasslands. Those bold stripes dazzle for camouflage and signaling. Their strong legs power sprints to outrun predators, and their herds thrive with a diet of grasses. Ruling the open plains with unity, their snorts and tail flicks make them nature's little dynamos, perfectly adapted to their wild domain. But what if these striped marvels got a major upgrade and took over Earth? In this video, we're exploring how zebras could evolve into super smart rulers, build striped empires with a gallop, and maybe even outpace us humans at running the planet. From grass-woven cities to a culture of gallop dances and snort displays. This is gonna be one dusty, epic ride. So, stick with us as we dive into a world ruled by the ultimate zebra overlords. Let's get stomping. How did these savannah gems go from herd dwellers to Earth's big shots? So, how did these savannah-loving zebras go from herd dwellers to Earth's big shots? Let's gallop into the science well. Science with a dash of sci-fi stomp to figure out why these striped champs could evolve into the ultimate rulers of the planet. Zebras are already the stars of the grasslands. Those black and white stripes dazzle to confuse predators and signal mates. Their strong legs power sprints across the plains, and their herds thrive with a diet of grasses, ruling the open wild with unity. They snort and flick their tails to communicate, masters of their dusty domain to rule Earth. Though, they need a serious brain boost and a stampede of evolutionary magic. Picture this: millions of years ago, Earth gets a grassy makeover. Maybe savannas spread across the globe, or a cosmic quirk wipes out bigger predators, leaving zebras as the survivors. Humans never galloped past the first hill our ancestors got outstomped. But zebras? They're thriving in their sunlit playground, ready to take the stage. A lucky genetic mutation supercharges their brains, turning their herd smarts into full-on genius. Suddenly, they're not just galloping, they're planning inventing, maybe even hosting the first Savannah Snort Fest. Let's talk about their bodies, because those are the real MVPs. Those strong legs could evolve for even mightier kicks or delicate tool use, like crafting with stalks or hides. Their stripes might sharpen, letting them signal or blend, while their agile forms grow versatile for longer runs or terrain navigation. Their herd instincts could adapt, helping them roam plains with ease, all while keeping that striped charm. Unlike humans, who needed fire to cook, zebras could stay raw, ruling the land with minimal fuss. Their social vibe is the secret sauce. Zebras stick together in herds, snorting and moving to connect with mates or rivals. In our story, they get chattier, evolving snorts, tail signals, and body movements into a legit language. Like a savannah chatter network, their knack for group tactics could spark cooperation, sharing grazing tricks or shelter hacks, like humans shared tales. Over time, they'd form organized herds, linking grassy hubs with hoof-crafted paths. Why zebras? They've got the speed, the stripes, and the smarts to seize their moment. A vast, golden Earth would be their stage, and they gallop right into the starring role. Next up, we'll explore what their striped empire looks like. Think grass-woven cities, gallop dances, and a whole lot of savannah flair. Stay tuned, this zebra takeover is just getting stampeding. We've just galloped into how zebras could evolve into Earth's wildest masterminds, with supercharged brains, strong legs, and a knack for ruling the savannahs in their sunlit playground. But what happens when these striped sprinters start building their own empire? Hang on to your hooves, because we're stomping into the vibrant, dusty world of a zebra planet. Spoiler, it's like a savannah party with extra gallops, snorts, and striped flair. Picture a zebra city sprawling across the plains, where grass-woven shelters and hide-crafted roosts gleam under the moonlight, linked by hoof-crafted paths and snort-lit clearings. This isn't some concrete sprawl, oh no. The hubs are patched together with sturdy stalks, vibrant hides, and cozy nest, with shelters tucked into hills for young foals to rest. Zebras gallop across platforms, their stripes flashing as they haul grasses or signal. Some practicing kicks, others snorting to show off. It's a bustling, golden metropolis that's equal parts majestic and lively, like a sci-fi savannah kingdom under the stars. Let's talk society, because these zebras keep it herding yet bold. They're naturally social in herds, led by the most agile stallions with the loudest snorts. Decisions happen on open plains during snort councils, where zebras kick and sway, their strong legs stomping like plains commanders in a lively debate. It's all about unity, no chaos. just synchronized gallops with maybe a tail salute to seal a good plan. Their herd spirit means every zebra has a role, from grazing patrols to guarding the best water holes. Their tech is pure savanna ingenuity. Forget steel factories, zebras craft tools from branches, grasses, and hides, like nets for catching insects or scoops for gathering dew with hoof barriers. Their powerful legs help them build solar-warmed shelters from woven stalks, keeping their homes snug in the wild. Picture a zebra engineer, its stripes gleaming, tweaking a grass irrigation system to nourish their plains gardens. They harness the sun's rays and savanna winds for energy, keeping their grassy hubs thriving without harming the land. It's ecotech so clever, it makes our cities look like barren fields. Culture. These zebras are the artists of the plains. Their art is all about stripes, think stripe pattern ground designs or gallop dances that echo across the savannah. Festivals are a stampede, with zebras performing synchronized gallops on grass stages, their stripes catching the moonlight like a living pattern show. Picture a twilight ritual where herds gather, snorting in harmony as they celebrate a big graze, their bodies swaying like a rhythmic chant. Their language, evolved from snorts, tail signals, and body movements, is like a savanna symphony, saying everything from grass here to time to gallop. It's a culture of striped pride, where every zebra feels part of a stomping family, bonded by their love of the wild. As they spread across Earth's grassy landscapes, their cities connect through hoof-crafted paths and snort-lit trails, like a galloping network linking savanna hubs from Africa to new plains. It's a world of speed, rhythm, and savanna charm, built on the zebra's knack for thriving in the open. But can they keep the striped empire galloping? Next, we'll dive into the challenges they'd face, from predators to their own food needs. Stay with us, this zebra saga is about to get wilder than a savanna storm we've just galloped through. The wild challenges our zebra champs would face: stormy savannas, sneaky predators, and their striped ways threatening their grass-woven empire. But how does their dusty, stomping world stack up against human civilization? Could these savanna sprinters really outpace us at running Earth? Let's wrap up this galloping saga with a deep dive into what their reign teaches us, plus a big, hoof-pounding call to action to keep the adventure charging. Let's break it down. Humans built incredible feat: space stations orbiting the stars, towering skyscrapers, apps for ordering snacks at midnight, but we also scarred the planet with pollution, deforestation, and overgrazed lands. Zebras, though, their savanna settlements, crafted from grasses and glowing with snort-lit shelters, are pure plains magic, thriving on grasses without leaving a trace of waste. Their herd spirit could dodge our global messes, settling disputes with snort councils, or a sharp kick, not wars. Picture a zebra leader, its stripes glinting like a savanna beacon, calming a turf spat with a rhythmic gallop. That's leadership with a stomp. But here's the catch: their grassy lifestyle ties them down. Humans conquered deserts, icy poles, and vast seas with diverse tech and teamwork, while zebras might stay bound to plains, missing a worldwide empire. Their stock and hide tech is ingenious, but might not match our leaps, like inventing rockets or streaming shows. Still, their world is a total game changer. Zebra's strong legs and black and white stripes show us how to thrive in harmony with nature, turning open plains into kingdoms without breaking a blade of grass. Their diet, grazing grasses like a savanna feast, teaches us to live lightly, using what's around without draining the land. Unlike us, they'd probably never clog their plains with plastic or overharvest their food to extinction. Their social yet independent vibe is a masterclass in balance. Each zebra guards its space, but gallops together when it counts, like a herd that knows when to stomp and when to rest. Their savanna resilience, charging through dust storms with a striped glow, inspires us to roll with setbacks and keep the spirit flowing, like a zebra landing a perfect kick after a windy day. It's a wake-up call to cherish our own wild plains with a bit more of their striped wisdom, protecting the grassy trails they call home, and ensuring those savanna hubs stay open for their gallops and our dreams. So, what's the big takeaway? This zebra utopia isn't just a stomping thought experiment, it's a mirror for us. These savanna superstars already rule with flair. Imagine what they do with a brain boost. Saving their real-world grassland habitats means a healthier planet for everyone, keeping those dusty plains alive for their kicks and our adventures. Their reign could remind us to tread lightly, respect nature's rhythm, and maybe even find pride in the boldest, most striped corners of life. Could they outgallop humans at running Earth? Their adaptability and herd strength say they might. Just take the lead, and that's worth a big, dusty cheer. That's a wrap on our zebra saga. What do you think? Would their grass-woven world outshine our concrete chaos? Could their striped genius save the planet? Drop your wildest ideas in the comments. We're excited to hear your snorts. If you love this dusty, gallop-packed adventure, smash that like button to show some love. It keeps our channel charging. Share this video with your crew who'd geek out over a zebra world. And hit subscribe with the bell to catch our next epic what if. Check out our other videos on alien empires, robot takeovers, or whatever crazy scenario we dream up next. From Savannah Tales to Cosmic Quest, we've got it all. Thanks for galloping with us. You make these adventures awesome. Keep stomping, stay striped, and we'll see you in the next video.